Hey, it's UFO. I want to say thank you for watching this video. I spent the last 2 days cutting this and it still wasn't enough time, so I had to break it up into 2 videos. This video is kind of the highlight reel, and the next video that's coming is team racing tips. I interviewed all the teams and I cut together the best tips and tricks that they can give you in terms of team racing. So make sure to subscribe and like and all that jazz. It really helps me out. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy. Peace.
What's up, man?
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream, okay, it's the dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it.
Alright, so me, Moke, and Colby are about to go up and test RF on these channels. So this is going to be my first time actually flying the track, not in the sim, so it should be pretty fun. Moke here is flying 6S. That should be extra fun for him.
I've never flown this track even in a sim.
Should be awesome.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I'll do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
17 minutes down. This is the last round, and right now, Team Elephant is exactly on top of Heart of America, 38 and 38. Team Canada with 37. Team Power with 36. This is a crazy close race right now. I'm pretty nervous right now. Everybody on these teams is amazing in terms of pilotship, and they're really great people, so I don't know who to root for. I'm just rooting for everybody. We'll see. This is crazy. This is some of the tightest racing I've ever seen. Right now there's a 2-lap gap between second and third place. Now it's 1 lap. Team 1 and 2 right now, Team Elephant and Heart of America in second place, both tied for 42 laps. Pretty sure Team Elephant just won.
Number 2, you got it. Number 2. Oh! Good job. Yeah. You do that. Oh! Good job, guys. Nice job, guys.
Folks, we have a couple of deductions to make, and we'll have final results in just a few minutes.
That was crazy. That was some of the tightest racing I've ever seen. Literally a few seconds difference between first and fourth place teams. Really excited. It looks like Team Elephant took it, but there's some deductions to be made, so we're going to see in just a minute.
All right, guys, I've got the final results here.
What's up?
Team Canada, 42 laps.
Yes! We got third!
20 minutes, 2 seconds. That's a 4-second differential. Same number of laps. Heart of America, second place. 43 laps, 20 minutes, 7 seconds. Team Elephant, 43 laps as well. 20 minutes, 3 seconds. You guys separated by 4 seconds each place. 4 seconds. Congratulations, incredible flying, guys.
For team race, this is close.
Yeah, very, very close.
That's great.
Yesterday and earlier in qualifying, it was like 2 laps difference, and now it's just 4 seconds.
Now 4 seconds.
Yeah.
That is incredible.
It was so close at the end there. I told Unreal Noah to fly a little bit slow because I thought we were more ahead than we was, and we could have done 1 more lap. But I don't want him to crash or drain his battery. But
I kept pushing. Just safe but pushing. Well, it's a good thing you pushed those 4 seconds because you needed those. Yeah.
And so we're happy to announce the second place team from America, Team Heart of America. And finally, the team that took it all, who won the race by mere seconds, from Sweden and Norway, Team Elephant. Here we are, ladies and